Welcome to AutoZone. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and iconic pieces of heavy machinery on the planet, the Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer. This beast is the king of earthmoving, built to take on the toughest jobs with ease. If you've ever wondered what makes the D11 such a dominant force in the construction and mining industries, stick around as we break down its raw power, cutting-edge technology, and impressive capabilities. The Caterpillar D11 is not just a bulldozer, it's a legend in the world of heavy equipment. Weighing in at over 230,000 pounds, this machine is designed to move massive amounts of earth, rock, and debris with incredible efficiency. Its massive size, combined with a high horsepower engine, allows it to tackle the most demanding projects with ease. Under the hood, the D11 is powered by a Cat C32 engine, a 32-liter V12 powerhouse that produces up to 850 horsepower. This engine is built for endurance, delivering exceptional torque and reliability even in the harshest conditions. Whether it's pushing through rocky terrain or shifting tons of dirt, the D11 does it with power and precision. The machine's powertrain is engineered for maximum efficiency, featuring an electronically controlled transmission that optimizes fuel consumption while delivering smooth and consistent performance. One of the standout features of the D11 is its blade. With a massive 22-foot wide U-blade, this bulldozer can move an incredible amount of material in a single pass. The blade is designed for maximum productivity, allowing operators to handle large-scale earth-moving operations with minimal effort. The machine also comes with a ripper attachment at the rear, which is perfect for breaking up tough surfaces like rock and hard-packed soil. But power isn't the only thing that makes the D11 a game-changer. Caterpillar has packed this bulldozer with advanced technology to enhance performance and operator comfort. The cab is designed for maximum visibility and comfort, featuring a state-of-the-art control system with intuitive joystick controls. The ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue, making long hours on the job more manageable. Another impressive feature is the integration of Cat's advanced telematics and automation systems. The D11 is equipped with Cat Command, which allows operators to control the machine remotely, increasing safety in hazardous environments. This is especially useful in mining operations where conditions can be dangerous. With GPS and real-time tracking, the D11 can be operated with extreme precision, reducing material waste and improving overall efficiency. Durability is another key factor that sets the D11 apart. Caterpillar has built this machine to withstand the harshest environments, from scorching deserts to freezing tundras. Its reinforced steel frame, heavy-duty undercarriage, and high-strength components ensure a long lifespan, even under extreme stress. Regular maintenance is made easy with accessible service points, and Cat's global support network ensures that parts and service are always within reach. The D11 isn't just about raw power, it's about efficiency and sustainability as well. Caterpillar has made significant advancements in fuel efficiency and emissions reduction, making the latest D11 models more environmentally friendly than ever. The integration of advanced hydraulics and smart engine management systems means that operators can get more work done with less fuel, reducing operational costs over time. From massive mining operations to large-scale construction projects, the Caterpillar D11 is a machine that gets the job done. Its combination of power, technology, and durability makes it an essential tool for industries that require serious earth-moving capability. Whether it's pushing, ripping, or grading, the D11 proves why it's one of the most respected bulldozers in the world. That's it for today's episode of AutoZone. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Caterpillar D11, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest heavy machinery content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.